St. Jago High remain in the hunt for the ISSA Grace Shield title after a disciplined bowling effort and a steady start to their second innings run chase against Campion College at the close of the second and penultimate day of the final at Melbourne Oval. Chasing 168 for victory, St. Jago ended the day on 22 for 1 with Wayne Plummer unbeaten on 17, anchoring the early response and keeping his team within striking distance entering Thursday's final day. That's entering Wednesday's final day. Earlier, St. Jago seized control of the contest by dismissing Campion cheaply for just 63 in their second innings. Zachary Taylor offered some resistance with 22, but the innings was largely dominated by Samuel Berger, who produced a devastating spell of 4 for 6 to put St. Jago in a commanding position. That effort followed a solid bowling display in Campion's first innings, where Abraham Waugh's well-crafted 112 led the way in their total of 246 all out. Vital Laws was the chief destroyer for St. Jago with an impressive 6 for 105, while Wayne Plummer provided key support, taking 3 for 48. In reply, St. Jago posted 142 for 9 declared in their first innings, with contributions from Laws 35 and Danza Hyatt Jr. 29. Neil Xavier led Campion's bowling effort with a strong return of 5 for 46. With the target set at 168 following Campion's second innings collapse, St. Jago will now look to turn their batting unit, led by the informed Plummer, to complete the chase on the final day. Joseph Lemmy, coach of St. Jago, and his Campion counterpart, Donald Bredwood, both believe they can win the title from this position.
Tomorrow, and we're also considering rain as well, so we're going to put that into our plan as well and see how well we can go out there and execute. The pitch is flat, the pitch is nice, all we need to do is go out there and execute, bad time, but in partnership, and we'll get that runs.
Disappointed with how we performed in the second innings, very disappointed, but then we still have a lot of runs on the board and we still think we can get the job done tomorrow.